guys, it's finally here. The TOMEI single exit. TOMEI is our new sponsor for the channel and for the car. They sent us a beautiful exhaust piece. It's a single exit back, and I'm just letting you guys know now that this is a 3-part video. So this is gonna be the part 1 video where this is just gonna be the single exit out. The second part of the video is going to be with the Y pipe, so you can see the difference with a stock Y pipe and the TOMEI Y pipe. The third video will be with the full down pipes. This is the best part for your VR30. Why? The TOMEI, believe it or not, is a lot lighter. If you do just the single exit, you're shaving off almost nearly 30 pounds. With the Y pipe, that's like 35 pounds. I'll put this graph right here. This is from their website, and this has been proven. So not only it gives you a better exhaust sound, it gives you weight reduction, and it gives you a way better look than what I have right now. Like, come on. But anyways, these tips gotta go, so we'll just, get straight into it. After open up the top piece of the box, you get basically straightforward. I mean, this is what it is. It's for the springs. You're gonna cut it yourself, and you're gonna protect these springs with this cover. It's actually pretty neat. Well, that didn't really help. What's my phone doing?
What the fuck?
So you get your beautiful exhaust piece. This is gonna go on the Y pipe. It's gonna go back this way. You're gonna put this little J pipe on, and it's gonna be clamps, and then we're gonna put this beautiful muffler on. Oh my god, it's gonna be sick. That box is covering it, making sure the muffler doesn't get damaged. And let's see what's inside this box. This is gonna be for the muffler itself. The V-band clips, get your beautiful gaskets, and you get your bolt smooth paste, get Allen key. I actually don't know what these are. This is really cool. I think this is for the joints. I don't know. I gotta find out. And you get your different bolts. Wow, this is really nice. Okay, this is, wow. This is the silencer, by the way, guys. So if you get, pulled over for loud exhaust or something, this is what you're gonna put on. And of course, you get the beautiful TOMEI badge, beautiful TOMEI stickers, and the TOMEI plate, which we will be putting on. Now, once you get underneath the car, you're gonna take out these 2 bolts and these 2 on this other side as well. And then we're gonna be pulling them off of these joints right here on both sides. Just so. Just like so, you're gonna put these bolts aside. You're gonna keep them just in case. By the way, it's a 14 size, I forgot to mention. So it's gonna look just like this, but again, the muffler delete says it's gonna come straight up, just like that. Look at this. This is like yuck. You get your towel, because we're gonna get to the Y pipe. I'm gonna start unbolting everything. To get this off, you're gonna need to undo these 2 bolts right here. One on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see from that side. All right, go. On both sides, so it's easier to come off.
And on the inside.
And on the inside, yes. So just pull this way and pull this the other way. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna hang this down slightly. And all right, you ready? So yeah, we don't want these hands touching the TOMEI, obviously, because they're dirty. All jokes aside, you're gonna need gloves. After all, it is titanium, and you cannot have fingerprints on. I mean, you can, but you just don't want them. Get the exhaust off. We're gonna be unwrapping this beautiful piece and putting it on, connecting it to the Y pipe. We get the beautiful pipe out. So this is the TOMEI. wait, I need the gasket. Once you are putting on the TOMEI, make sure you put the gasket on first. Slide it on just like that. Over here, just gonna use them right here as well. You guys don't see it, but for me it says up. Like they literally engraved up, meaning that this goes upwards, which is very nice touch. I don't see it on any other exhaust brands. That is pretty neat, honestly. Then I'm gonna slide this puppy on. Slide it just like that. Clamp it right here.
Just slide it on all the way?
Kind of maybe like this.
No, do it all the way.
What do you mean?
Like so.
This was a struggle.
Oh my god! What the hell? Go away. Let us install our TOMEI.
Zoom in like 2.5, it's fine. Alright, so this is it right here. Like so. Flathead. Stretch this one right here. Just like that. Voila. So we're gonna go over it again. So this rubber piece will be going on this big piece for the muffler, so it doesn't make any noise. We got this last clip, and get your springs ready. I mean, they're kind of shouldn't have. But anyways, cut a little bit extra because they're gonna be stretched out. So now it's protecting all the way around. Dude's holding it like a baby. I don't have to show this. Oh my!
Is that a TOMEI?
Yeah, I think we should put it in our room.
Yeah,
honestly.
holy moly guacamole. Das ist gut, ja.
This is beautiful, guys. I mean, come on. This is sick.
I mean, come on, what? Nobody's arguing with you.
TOMEI Expreme-Ti.
Extreme.
Extreme.
Holy moly.
No. So we're gonna feed it from the inside. Just like so. And now we're just gonna add alright, and then now the last thing is we're gonna put these on after we tighten the clamp, and we're gonna go all throughout the exhaust, make sure everything's tightened, and then we'll start it right up. Wow, this is a lot of a longer piece. Oh hell yeah. Alright. Whew. Okay, one's done. Oh, dang! And
Tighten it, this.
just those 3 seconds. All right, so don't be like me. I didn't realize these right here are the stoppers. So I didn't push it all the way. Now I did. And now it looks beautiful. All right, let's hear it. This is amazing. I'm so happy and stoked. Yeah, of course. Night and day difference. Don't do a muffler delete. Don't do a custom exhaust. Get a TOMEI. Oh my freaking goodness, guys. This is amazing. And it looks mint. It looks perfect. It has a tight fitment over there, but it's not rattling, not making any noise, so I'm happy. But it looks so good. Very good.
Holy moly, that thing sounds good.
Yeah. It's official. It's official.
I officially got my license.
Yeah, we just found out also there was a manual install on the back, but again, we don't need it. You guys got me. All right, we're gonna be putting this on as well.